Hello everyone! Today we are diving into question set 39, focusing on relational algebra queries. These queries play a crucial role in extracting specific information from our database. Let's break down each question and understand how to express them in relational algebra. Question number 1. Write the relational algebra query to find the details of the brand Puma product. Use brand ID as form. Use the table where product details are stored as a product table. In similar terms, we want to get information like the product name, description and more, but especially for Puma products. We will be looking at the table where product details are stored and focusing on those with the brand ID of form which corresponds to Puma. So we want to find all Puma products in our stock. Using the selection operator, we select from the product table where the brand ID is form which corresponds to Puma. Question number 2. Write the relational algebra query to find the details of the gender male users among the registered users. To do this, use 1 as the gender ID. Use the gender table as a table to store the gender of registered users. This query aims to fetch information about users who are male. We will be interested in user details like user ID, first name, last name and others, but only for those who have gender ID of 1, representing males. Now let's discover all the male users with the selection operator. We grab records from the user table where the gender ID is 1, indicating males. Question number 3. Write the relational algebra query to find the details of the registered users, gender male, user type employees. To do this, use 1 as the gender ID. Use 1 as user type ID. Use the table stored by registered users as a user. Now we want to narrow down our search to male users who are also employees. We are refining our search to include details like user ID, first name, last name and more, but especially for males who are employees. If we especially want male employees, we can refine further, applying the selection operator again. We pick records where gender ID is 1 and user type ID is 1. Question number 4. Write the relational algebra query to find the details about products whose brand is DSI and Bata. To do this, use 1 as the ID of the DSI brand and 2 as the ID of the Bata brand. Use the product details stored as the product table. This query is all about getting information on products from 2 specific brands, DSI and Bata. We will focus on details like product name, description and others from the product table, but only for product with the brand DSI or Bata. Using a selection operator, we select from the product table where the brand ID is either 1 or 2. Relational algebra queries are like a language that allow us to speak to our database and get what we need. They are essential for managing data effectively. I hope these explanations make the world of relational algebra queries a bit clearer for you. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to share them. Stay tuned for more insight on our database journey.